Every project includes an experiment manager, which shows automated visualizations of model performance, helping to identify the best performing models and troubleshoot issues. Collaboration is made easy since you and all of the contributors to your project can send runs to the same experiment for comparison, nesting linked models when needed. It's easy to compare multiple experiments and to examine different performance metrics. The ML Flow-based experiment manager integrates directly with PyTorch, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and other popular packages, and can be completely customized as well. We provide a number of notebooks with sample code for data scientists, and low-code users can set these up with our Code Assist wizard for standard machine learning and more complex foundation models. Every aspect of the experiment is saved, including the hardware, all packages and software, the training time, and the model itself. And these can be registered to a model card for discovery and reviews from your stakeholders, along with one-click deployment options.